Good morning, everyone. I welcome Honorable Governor Shri and Chancellor of Indian Institute of Teacher Education, Shri Acharya Devrat ji. May I request, sir, along with the team IIT and respected member secretary NCTE, Ms. Keseng Sherpa to proceed for the Deep Prakatya. May I request Ms. Shri ma'am to start the Saraswati Vandana.
Jayati Jaya Jaya Ma Saraswati Jayati Veena Dharini Ma Jayati Jayapad Masana Mata Jayati Shubhavar Daini Jagat Ka Kalyan Karma तुम हो वीणा वादिनी माँ जयति जय जय माँ सरस्वती जयति वीणा धारिणी माँ.
Thank you very much. With the permission of Honorable Chancellor, sir, may I request everyone to stand for the university song. Thank you, everyone. National Education Policy has provided a new directive to strengthen the education system of India. National Professional Standards for Teacher and National Mentoring Mission are among the two most important initiatives being proposed in NEP 2020. The hosting of today's open house has added yet another feather in the collaborative efforts of IITE to ensure the implementation of NEP 2020. I feel proud to announce that Indian Institute of Teacher Education, Gandhinagar, is one of the 6 universities in India who is invited for an offline open house discussion on NEP 2020 by National Council for Teacher Education. With this, moving further and abiding by the Indian cultures and values, it is time to felicitate honorable dignitaries on the dais. As per the Indian tradition, Acharya is Guru. We have with us our Kuladhipati, who is a true teacher by heart and action. Sir is always there to enlighten, guide and lead IITE to be an effective and efficient epitome for nurturing teachers. I request respected Vice Chancellor Dr. Harshad A. Patel to grace the august presence of our Kuladhipati, Honorable Governor Shri and Chancellor of IITE, Shri Acharya Devrat Ji, with a memento. Thank you, sir. NCT is finding new wings under the leadership of a dynamic member secretary, Ms. Keseng Y. Sherpa. May I now request Dr. Kalpesh Pathak to felicitate Member Secretary NCTE with a memento. Thank you, sir. To commemorate the occasion, I invite Dr. Himanshu Patel, Registrar IITE, to felicitate our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Harshad A. Patel, with a book. Thank you, sir. We have gathered here to accomplish a very important purpose today. With this note, I invite Dr. Kalpesh Pathak, Dean and Director, Center of Education, IITE, for the welcome address.
Honorable Governor Sir and our Chancellor Sir, Acharya Devrat Ji Sir, respected Vice Chancellor of Indian Institute of Teacher Education, Dr. Harshad Patel Sir, respected Secretary Madam Sushri Keseng Sherpa Ma'am, our Registrar Shri Himanshu Patel Ji, all respected honorable guests, C.B. Sharma Sir, Dr. Jagdish Bhavsar Sir, Dr. Mahendra Chotalia Sir, Professor H.B. Patel Sir, Professor Bharat Joshi Ji Sir, and all the panelists and the invited guests. Above all, the fraternity of educational administrators and teacher educators, principals, school educators, and warm welcome to Director GCRT Sir, GCRT, Dr. T.S. Joshi Sir, and Director Primary Education, M.A. Joshi Sir. Invited representatives of school education, respected media persons from print and TV media, all my colleagues, and warm welcome to NCT team, those who are collaborating with us for today's National Open House discussion on NEP 2020. Sir, I would like to share that Government of India, Ministry of Education, with consultation of National Council for Teacher Education, invited 6 face-to-face open house discussion on National Education Policy 2020 for National Professional Standards for Teachers and National Mentoring Mission. We thank Government of India and NCT for making us partner with them. Again, very warm welcome, sir, because under your guidance, the university is progressing and you accented to inaugurate this function. And we have almost more than 120 participants from teaching fraternity and those who are assembled here in front of you. Again, I warm welcome all the participants, and we wish that we will have very effective deliberations on these two paras of National Education Policy 2020. Again, I welcome our Member Secretary, ma'am, from NCT. She has been constantly monitoring and supervising the entire program. She was almost having the discussion from last week and how this program is going to run and how we are arranging this program. And especially thanks to NCT team led by Member Secretary Ma'am, Sherpa Ma'am. Once again, without the support of the teaching fraternity and the educationist, I'm sure this discussion will not be. Again, one welcome to all dignitaries, and I welcome to this open house discussion with the permission of Chair, Honorable Chancellor Sir Devrat Ji. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. I believe that today we are going to have an effective discussion and we are going to give out some important document at the end. It is an honor to invite Member Secretary NCTE Ms. Keseng Y. Sherpa, a dynamic and committed IRS of 1995 batch, for the opening remark. May I, ma'am?
Shri Acharya Devrat Ji, Honorable Governor, Governor of Gujarat, and Honorable Chancellor, IITE, Dr. Harshad Patel, Vice Chancellor, IIT Gandhinagar, all the esteemed academicians, experts present with us here today, all the teachers, the school leaders, the professors, the academicians, students, everyone who has joined us offline and online today, my team from NCTE, Namaskar. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Governor Sir for having graced this occasion, taking out time from his extremely busy schedule. We are really honored that you have attended and you've been part of our program, sir, today. And I would also like to thank Dr. Harshad Patel and his team, the Honorable Chancellor also, IITE, for partnering with us on this very important mandate of the Government of India. As you are all aware, the National Education Policy 2020, launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, on 29 July 2020, is a very unique policy in the sense that it seeks to bring about a paradigm shift in the education sector, particularly in the teacher education sector. For a long time, the position of teachers is not, as we are aware, what it should be. And this policy seeks to uphold and bring back the position of teachers to the noblest of all professions. And so in this endeavor of the Government of India, NCTE and National Council for Teacher Education deals with the planned and coordinated development of the teacher education sector all across the country. And we have been given several mandates under the NEP. Some of them you are already aware. This is the 4-year ITEP, which we have launched, the notification has come out recently. We're also working on the 2-year B.Ed, the 1-year B.Ed, the 4-year Bachelor of Physical Education program, the 4-year Fine Art Education program, and now this two very important mandates given to us in this last budget, which is the National Professional Standard for Teachers and the National Mission for Mentoring. I must mention here that, we have visited IITE earlier before, and our team from NCT was very impressed by the way the IITE has already taken up this integrated 4-year program that you're running, and the various other measures that are being taken, innovative measures that are being taken in your university as far as, this various measures for teacher education is concerned. And we thought that there would be no better institution to collaborate with in our national endeavor, in our national outreach program, because if I have to say, IIT is definitely an icon in the field of teacher education. So I must congratulate the IIT Chancellor, the Vice Chancellor, and the entire team, because it is the entire team that is very important for raising the eminence or the importance of any institution. Now I'll come straight to this National Professional Standard for Teachers. We are going to have two sessions. One is the National Professional Standard for Teachers, and in the afternoon we'll have National Mission for Mentoring. National Professional Standard for Teachers will be found in 5.20 of the NEP, and it seeks to state what the quality of teacher should be, the competencies and what is expected of a teacher at every stage and every level, and what are the efforts, or what are the things that one is supposed to do to improve those competencies or those stages. And also, NEP also goes a step forward and also seeks to come out with the performance appraisal of a teacher at each stage of competence. As far as NCT is concerned, well, we launch a My NEP portal, 2020 portal in April, soliciting suggestions from all stakeholders across the country, and we got about 2,600 responses, and many of them we have incorporated in our draft document, which is there before you. We formed a committee chaired by Professor Chandkaran Saluja sir, and in this NPST and NMM as our public outreach program, so that the entire country is on board with us when we go forward with these two very important mandates. We are having 15 open house sessions each, and 6 of them are in physical mode, and this is one such of those physical mode programs. The others are all in hybrid mode. Now the second, the afternoon session that will be there, that is regarding the National Mission for Mentoring, and that you will find in para 15.11 of the NEP. And NEP understands that earlier, whenever we are talking about mentoring, we are always referring to students. But NEP understands that even the teachers, the school leaders, the teacher educators, they also require a mentor. A mentor is not in the strict sense a teacher who will just talk about the content. A mentor will be a fair friend, philosopher, and guide. So that is the importance of the National Mentoring Mission. Well, we have in NCT again come forward with the Blue Book on Mentoring. That is the first one, which we have put out on the public domain again in last November, and solicited all the suggestions from all the stakeholders. In the My NEP 2020 portal in April also, we had sought suggestions about the National Mission for Mentoring, and we have garnered some around 1,900 responses from the stakeholders. There is a committee formed by NCT, headed by Dr. S.C. Roy from NERI, and they have come out with this Blue Book. And the Blue Book is there before you. There will be a detailed discussion, so I will not go into that. But NCT seeks your participation, your suggestions in coming out with a final document on NPST and NMM, because for us, every suggestion, every comment that you give is very important because it's coming from the field, and that is what is, and both these policies of the government are your baby, it is for us, the teacher education sector. So we solicit and we request all the participation, please, all the suggestions, please mail us on the website. Our email is there, please give it to us. And at the end, I would like to once again thank Honorable Governor Sir for having joined us today and blessed us with his august presence. And I want to thank the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Harshad Patel, and his team, everyone present here. Thank you very much. And also to my team in NCT, who has really worked in all the open houses that we are having a series. We're having a total of 30 open houses, and they worked very, very hard. So I must thank my team also. So thank you, and Jai Hind.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for the enlightening remarks. IITE and NCTE can definitely work together to scale new heights for setting good benchmarks for the teachers at large and teacher education in particular. With this, may I request Vice Chancellor Dr. Harshad A. Patel to address the gathering.
દેશના સૌથી મહત્વના બે ક્ષેત્રો એટલે કૃષિ અને ઋષિ ક્ષેત્ર, એ બંને ક્ષેત્રમાં જેમનું ખેડાણ અને પ્રદાન અને માર્ગદર્શન માત્ર ગુજરાત જ નહીં સમગ્ર દેશને મળી રહ્યું છે, એવા ગુજરાત રાજ્યના રાજ્યપાલ આદરણીય આચાર્ય દેવવ્રતજી અને અમારી યુનિવર્સિટીના કુલાધિપતિ શ્રી, NCT મેમ્બર સેક્રેટરી કેસંગ શેરપાબેન, ડીન કલ્પેશભાઈ પાઠક, રજિસ્ટ્રાર હિમાંશુભાઈ અને એનસીટી અને આઈઆઈટીના આમંત્રણને માન આપી આજના ઓપન હાઉસ ડિસ્કશનમાં ચેરપર્સન અને પેનલિસ્ટ અને સહભાગી થવા માટે આપ સૌ જે પધાર્યા છે, આપ સર્વેનું આઈઆઈટી વતી અને ટીચર એજ્યુકેશન વતી આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું. છેલ્લા 2.5 વર્ષમાં આઈઆઈટીનું સદભાગ્ય રહ્યું છે કે કોન્વોકેશન હોય કે સ્થાપના દિવસ હોય કે આઈઆઈટીને શિક્ષક પ્રશિક્ષણની દ્રષ્ટિએ કોઈ કાર્યક્રમ હોય તો આદરણીય રાજ્યપાલશ્રીનું માર્ગદર્શન અમને પ્રેરિત કરનારું અને સમગ્ર રાજ્યમાં એનો સંદેશો અને ક્યાંક ક્યાંક વર્તમાનપત્રોએ પણ એની બખૂબી નોંધ લીધી છે. એટલે આજે આ મહત્વના 2 મુદ્દાઓ, આમ તો એનઈપી ગત વર્ષથી સમગ્ર દેશમાં લાગુ થઈ છે, ત્યારે એનસીટીને મહત્વની 2 બાબતો એટલે ચેપ્ટર 5 અને ચેપ્ટર 15. ચેપ્ટર 15 અને 5 ના એક મુદ્દા પર આજે ઓપન હાઉસ ડિસ્કશન થઈ રહ્યું છે અને છેલ્લા 2-3 મહિનાથી એનસીટીની ટીમ પૂરા દેશમાં ફિઝિકલ અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ મોડ પર એનું ઓપન હાઉસ ડિસ્કશન કરી રહ્યું છે. આ પ્લેટફોર્મથી અમારું એનસીટીને સજેશન પણ છે કે પ્રાયોરિટીમાં આપણે 15.1 ને પણ લઈએ, જેથી કરીને નેશનલ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર ટીચર જે એસ્ટાબ્લિશ કરવાના છે, તો ટીચર એજ્યુકેશન અને ટીચર એજ્યુકેશન ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ કેટલા સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ્સ છે એ પણ જાન્યુઆરી પછી જો એનો રોડમેપ બને તો મને લાગે છે આગામી જૂન પહેલા આપણે વધારે સારા શિક્ષકો સમાજને આપી શકીએ. કારણ કે શિક્ષક અને પછી એના સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં એ કયા સ્ટેજમાં જાય એ મહત્વનું રહેશે. બંને મુદ્દાઓમાં જ્યારે પણ એ સેશન ચાલશે ત્યારે ટીચર એડ્યુકેટર તરીકે હું મારા વ્યૂ એ વખતે આપવાનો છું. હાલ આપણે સૌ આતુર છીએ આદરણીય રાજ્યપાલશ્રીના માર્ગદર્શન માટે, એટલે વધારે સમય ન લેતા આપ સૌને ફરીવાર આવકારું છું અને સાહેબ શ્રી અહીંયા પધાર્યા છે, આઈઆઈટી વતી એમનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું. જય હિન્દ, જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત.
Thank you, sir.